Welcome to another episode of the Cobra Daytona Build. On this episode, I've got my transmission. So another Christmas Day present for me. I'm going to get this thing broken down. Well, actually, no building today. We're just going to show you tearing apart this pallet and see what's here, what's got to be taken apart. And then I'm going to decide whether or not I'm actually going to paint this transmission. I hate raw aluminum. You know, after 5, 6, 7, 8, 10 years, it starts to oxidize, which doesn't hurt it. It's not bad. I just don't like the look. I mean, climb under any newer car that's 5, 6 years old, and you just see the aluminum that's, you know, got the white powderish look to it. I don't like the look, so I may paint this thing. Maybe see if anybody's got any feedback. It'd be easy to do, you know, a lot of scuffing, a little bit of cleaning, flip it on end and spray away. So, but thanks for watching, and hope you enjoy this T56 Magnum disassembly, I guess you call it, or pallet disassembly. So as I said, it's a T56 Magnum 6-speed, close ratio. I got it from Silver Sport Transmissions. They had a special going on. I couldn't pass it up, so I ordered it. So let's see what we got. Okay, so we're gonna cut our bands here. Box looked pretty good. I saw no damage or anything. Let's open up the first box here and see what we got. Oh, we've got the T56. T56 has got this, it's a reverse lockout. And so they make these modules that plug into the speed sensor. That's all part of this. And that looks like I got the brake-in fluid, clutch hydraulic fluid. So, okay, let's see what we got in here. I'm guessing this is either a flywheel. Hopefully you guys can see all this. Okay, so this is our alignment plate for when we do the run out. Oh, okay, we've got our clutch kit and our flywheel down there. Advanced friction clutch kits. Okay, well, that's cool. So slide that off the way here. I think we've got our QuickTime bell housing. Yep. That's it. Okay. I already cracked it open actually, so you're seeing the second version. There it is, T56. To it 11010 Tremec. A whole lot of writing on this thing in different colors. I may paint this after seeing all this. This will all come off, but so, and I think this has got to be flipped around, the shifter location. No lubricating oil. So yeah, so this is the transmission. Not as big as I thought. So there's our hydraulic clutch cylinders already installed. Interesting. Huh. Okay. I like the breather comes up and out of here. I opened the package that was in the transmission, and it looks like on back order is a high pressure hydraulic line for the clutch master cylinder, the clutch slave cylinder, I guess you call it. But I'm gonna go out of the limb here and say Silver Sports Transmissions, they were excellent. When you placed the order, you got instant emails saying, hey, here's what's going on. I ordered because they had like I think it was about $500 off for the month of January, so ordered it late last month, got it already. They've been excellent to deal with. Great communication, shipping right on time. Very impressed. Nice packet of information here. So I can't say enough about Silver Sport Transmissions. So not that I you know, own stock in the company or anything, but highly recommend them. Well, I want to thank you for watching another episode of the Cobra Daytona Build. That was a quick one. Just the unpacking of the T56. Didn't even pull it out of the box because we're not quite ready yet, but you might see a video of me actually painting the thing, prepping and painting it. So, because I'm pretty sure that's what I'm going to do. Thanks again for watching. We look forward to you on the next episode. If you like this video and want to see more, please hit subscribe, and we'll see you on the next episode of the Cobra Daytona Build. Have a good evening.